Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to update Samsung TV firmware. Let's go. Open Settings. All settings. Network. Open Network Settings. Connect your TV to the Internet. Support. Software update. No. Or use the update with a pendrive. That's it. Now you know how to update Samsung TV firmware. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.